Derwyddon Druan heb ennill dim un o'i 10 gêm ddwytha yn erbyn y Drenewydd. Dyn nhw'n gallu newid hynny heddiw yma. Bil fewn gan Steff Edwards. Dyma Naim Arsan ar cynnig, oedd hi'n rhy agos at y golwr. Nath Arsan reoli'n dda ond yr ergyd yn wan. Edge ar gig gornel. Peniad allan. Dyma ffwmpa Mwandwe i'r Drenewydd. Mwandwe'n curo Arsan, a mae Mwandwe'n gyflym. Steff Edwards ar draws hefyd. Cyfle i'r asgellwr ifanc. Mwandwe'n torri tu fewn ar ergyd isel. Heibio'r nod. Mwandwe wedi bod yn fygythiad ers yr holl yn uwch gyngrair Cymru. Yn dangos i ddoniau. Williams ar arwydd. Chydig dros hanner awr di chwarae yma. A Sutton sy'n codi am ei fewn. A mae'r Drenewydd ar y blaen. Shane Sutton ar gôl. Tybed fydde Steff Edwards di gallu gwneud yn well ar y postyn na. Jordan Evans. Evans yn ergydio ac yn rhwydo'r ail. 5 munud tan yr egwyl. 8fed gol y tymor i Jordan Evans. Heibio'r wal, heibio'r golwr i gefn y rhwyd. Fletcher yn dwy'n y Bil Rydd ac yn bwydo Ofori. Tyrone Ofori ar yr ergyd ond taro'r trawst am gynnig gan Ofori. Evans, pas hyfryd, rhyddhau James Davies. Davies i fewn i'r cwrs, cyn chwaraeo'r cefn yn sgwar, as Jamie Breeze. Jones yn ei arbedi, mae'n taro'r trawst a Rushton yn rhwydo'r gol hawsag eitho'r tymor yma. 7fed gol y tymor i Nick Rushton, Breeze mor anlwcus i beidio sgorio. Brian Edwards. Cartwright ar ôl, Cartwright yn sathru ar gefn coes Ryan Edwards ac yn heiddiannol yn gweld cerdyn coch. Tackle hyll ofnadwy gan Cartwright. Edwards ddim wedi anafu ar ôl y dacl hyll na gan Cartwright, y bêl gan Jake Phillips. Phillips di thynnu nôl, Jordan Evans! Y bedwaredd, 4 gol mewn 2 gêm yn erbyn y Derwyddon i Jordan Evans. A mae'r Drenewydd di sgorio 4 yn erbyn cefn am y 3ydd tro'r tymor yma. Bale yn cael ei chlirio lawr cae, pas union gyrchgol a mae Breeze drwodd. Cyfle i Breeze i gwneud tîm 5. Breeze heibio'r golwr. Ar Bale oedd hi ar y llinell gan Jacob Wise. Gwych gan yr amddiffynwr. Evans, Rushton, cyfnod dda gyda Breeze. Breeze fewn at James Davies. Davies i'w gwneud tîm 5. A Davies o'r diwedd yn rhwydo. Di cael sawl cyfle yn yr wythnosau dwytha. Ac mae wrth i fodd y rhyddhad yn amlwg ar wyneb James Davies.
Ie, dyn ni chwarae'n dde a mae pawb yn dod gyda'i gilydd a ni wedi dod yn 7fed a trio mynd a cael y spot i Ewrop.
I think the word's embarrassing at times in terms of the desire and the hunger that the players have shown. We spoke at half-time, being 2 down, 2 set pieces. Again, disappointing to concede that. But we asked for a response and ultimately it's not been there. We now look at the goals we've conceded over the last 5 games and it's 16 goals against. That's not good enough, especially when you're playing the teams in and around you. Again, I've just asked the players now because the games come thick and fast. There's no time to feel sorry for ourselves, but at what point is it going to start to click and sink in what it means to play for this football club? Lads have to sort of take ownership and responsibility now.
I don't think we really got going first off, but it shows how important set plays are in the game. And they might come out and go, we've conceded 2 goals off set plays, but a well-worked corner, good ball in. Shane did it last week, good header, and then obviously Jordan Evans has scored 3 kicks again this year. So they may say, we've conceded 2 goals off set plays, but they're a big part of the game, and they're something that we work on. And we've got a good delivery, people who attack the ball well. So we were 2-0 up. We controlled most of the first half, if not all. It was difficult to break them down because they were that deep. I think their back four were on the 18-yard box. It was difficult to get them behind them. But we felt the space would appear and they would tire, and that's the way it worked second half. And with a little bit of a change of shape, and we went on to really get them behind them, and we really hurt them. We scored some really good goals second half as well, so I'm really pleased.